Blue Collar SpongeBob. It pairs SpongeBob with the working class anthem. In this video, we'll explain exactly how this meme was born, how it spread, and what it means. Blue Collar SpongeBob is a meme in which AI generated images depict SpongeBob in gritty, laboring blue-collar settings. Construction gear, factories, manual labor scenes, all to the backdrop of a viral song called the Blue Collar Anthem. The meme blends the innocence of SpongeBob with the grind and struggle of real working life. The meme's foundation is the song Blue Collar Anthem, originally performed by TikToker Red River Redneck 1993. In early 2025, he posted a video of himself singing, "My collar's blue, but my neck is red. I've been working like a dog just to keep my family fed."
My collar's blue, but my neck is red. I've been working like a dog just to keep my family fed. Living off energy drinks and Marlboro Reds. I swear this gas station food's gonna cause my death.
This video has roughly 2 million views and has been drawing attention because it resonates with a lot of people who do manual labor. 9 months later, in September of 2025, TikToker Ollie Outdoor posted a version of the song with his own video, dubbing it the Blue Collar Anthem. This version has over 500,000 views in just 9 days, and it's because of this song that it gained more popularity, and somehow it ended up in the TikTok meme community. Meme creators didn't originally start making videos of Blue Collar SpongeBob, but they posted comments on these types of videos with images of AI SpongeBob. On September 24, TikToker RealX Phantom combined several Blue Collar SpongeBob edits with the anthem song, captioned, "MFs will get their first job at McDonald's and will genuinely look at you like this when you ask if they can get on the game." This video gained over 1.5 million views in just 2 days. Other versions included SpongeBob mowing lawns, mining, or doing the dishes, each captioned with an ironic or sincere text about the labor struggle. This one, for example, almost had 1 million views in just 1 day. And then the song sparked more parodies, such as White Collar Squidward, which is about an office worker.
My collar's white and my life's alright. I work a 9 to 5, I never do overnights.
And Green Colored Plankton, which is about cleaners and landscapers.
My collar's green and I keep the world clean.
One can only wonder what other versions will be created.